Building digital clock using Python programming language. Hi everyone, welcome to this lesson. In this lesson you will learn how to create digital clock in Python programming language using the Python code and using libraries such as the time module or the time library, and also a library for graphical user interface applications called Tkinter library. Let's get started to discuss this theoretically first. For creating digital clock using Python programming language and for displaying the current date and time, we need to use the time module first. So we are gonna import a function from that module only. That function is called strftime to display or to represent the current date and time using the time module to display the current date in our digital clock. So we are gonna use that statement first from time import strftime, the from keyword followed by the name of that module or that library called time, followed by the import statement, and after the import statement the name of our function to display the current time inside our digital clock window. And this function, the name of our function here is called strftime, this function from the time module. After that we need to use the Tkinter library. We are gonna use the Tkinter library to create our widgets and to create the graphical user interface application. Simply, Tkinter is a Python binding to the TKGUI toolkit or the graphical user interface toolkit. And we are gonna use a function called label to create a widget that is used to implement display boxes where you can place text or images in our window. We are gonna create our digital clock window using the tk function. The tk function is used to create a displayed window. So from Tkinter we are gonna import label, then tk to use the label function to create a widget, and also to use the tk before the label function to create our empty window. We need to create a window first, then we are gonna use the label function to create widgets for fonts, colors, and so on, and we are gonna also use a function after that to display the current date and time, and we are gonna insert the strftime function inside the function we are gonna create to display that current date and time inside that widget inside the window that we are gonna create. So let's see this in action to make everything clear to understand. Thanks a lot for watching. See you again next lesson.